Ever wonder how traders spot those $100 million crypto moves before the market reacts? This is ByteStash, and today I'm showing you how to track crypto whales like a pro using whalealert.io with 5 powerful integrations that can give you a serious edge in your trading decisions. First, start with the live whale feed. This is your radar. It tracks the largest transactions in real time. You'll see token, value in USD, and wallet types, known exchanges like Binance or unknown wallets. Big transfers to exchanges often hint at selling pressure, while large withdrawals to unknown wallets can suggest accumulation. Number 2. Free users get a taste of analytics through the quick select bar. Pick a coin like BTC, ETH, or XRP. You will see average buy price. That's the whale's cost basis. Potential profit. What would happen if whales sold now? Realized profit. What they've already locked in. If the potential profit is high, whales are in the green and might start taking profit. If it's low or negative, they're probably holding. Next, scroll to the transactions section in analytics. You can access free charts like transaction volume, average transaction size, transaction count. Sudden spikes in volume or transaction size can signal big moves coming. Combine this with the live feed to see which transactions actually hit the market. Whale Alert only shows transactions above certain whale thresholds. For free users, here's what counts as a whale. BTC, Ethereum, and stablecoins mint over $50 million. Knowing this helps you filter the noise. If it's on the feed, it's massive enough to move the market. The real power comes from combining these free tools. Watch the live feed for sudden big moves. Check the analytics charts for volume spikes. Use the quick coin metrics to see if whales are in profit. Keep the whale thresholds in mind to know which moves really matter. You can get a free account today to track Bitcoin whales for free. Other tokens require a subscription. Let me know if you want a deep dive on how to track whales and make custom alerts. Subscribe for more crypto.